Hello friends, my name is Pardeep Kumar. Today let's start a new topic. The first topic is the Arduino potentiometer data published on Labview. I have an Arduino and a potentiometer. Okay, the data is published on Labview. Okay, first we talk about the programming. How you create. After that, come on the hardware. Okay, let's first step to step. First, right click on the block diagram and come on the Arduino and click the pin like this, and first to the int, and you see they have a int for the starting, and you directly drag here like this. And second, the analog read pin. Why I'm choose the analog read pin? Because I have a potentiometer, and you say the potentiometer range is very 0 to 1025 maximum. Okay, that's why they change the value. It means the analog value given from to the Arduino, and that's why I'm using analog read pin, because we need to read the data from the potentiometer. Okay, that's why I'm drag the read analog pin. Okay, and you come on the sensor, and sorry, come back, click on the low level, and you see have a analog read pin. Okay, you directly drag here like this first. And the second, last step is create a clause for the Arduino clause. Okay, like this. So we need only a three component, you see, and select like this, click on visible and label, and their name is int for starting, analog read pin, and the clause. Okay, and you see it's same as like this. Okay. The first step, and you see have a when you cursor is move on the first, on the top have a visa resource. Okay, right click on here and create a control. When you create a control, then they visible on in a front panel, you see like this. Okay, like this. Okay, the next is we need to create a loop. Come on the structure and create a while loop like this. I'm telling about here, you see like this. Okay, it's while loop, and you need to first right click on here and create a control. Okay, for a stop while loop. Okay, why I'm choosing a while loop? Because we need to continue the data. Okay, that's why I'm using the while loop for transfer the data on a continuity. Okay, that's why. Okay, after that, you see have an analog pin, and come on the question mark and drag your mouse on analog read pin component, and you see have all details on here about the Arduino resource. And the mid pin is the analog read input pin. Okay, the last is error out, and the center is voltage for take the data. Okay, now have Arduino resource and have Arduino resource. You need to continuity connect to this, and the output to the input of the clause as like this. You see in the color of the purple like this. Okay, pink color. Okay, and the second is you see gray, connect to like this. It is the error in for the communication level. Okay, first you connect to the two for to the communication, to the in, to the analog to the close like this. Okay, then the main important is the middle. It's an analog input pin. It's mean declare the analog pin from the Arduino. Okay, so that's why I right click on here and create a control. Okay, so you see the same as like you appear, and you enter the analog pin. Like if you have a, because Arduino have a five Arduino pins, analog pins 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the total is 6. So I am using right now this 0, that's why I'm here write 0 pin. Okay, not you written A0. Okay, so you need only 0 1 to 5 only, 0 to 5 only. Okay, that's why I'm written on 0. Okay, the next, for the final part is the voltage. We need to display here for the data for the potentiometer reading. That's why the output, right click on here and create a as like you indicator or as per your requirement. Okay, so that's why I'm here drag a waveform chart, right click on the front panel. Okay, sorry, right click front panel and come on the graph and create a waveform chart like this. Okay, you see here. Now I am deleted this because I already created a waveform graph, and you need to connect on here to directly on the voltage. Okay, because the voltage display on the wave graph. And the externally I'm use the potentiometer also for the indication level. You easily to understand what's going on right now. That's why I'm create a this, and you can choose from here. And this style, and from here use any meter as you like. Okay, so and then you connect to on the voltage also. Okay, the main important part is that we need to change the time for delay. Okay, otherwise the Arduino is not link or have some gap or error like this. Okay, that's why we need to a little gap, or we can say a delay for running the program is very smart way. That's why right click on here, come on the timing and create a wait like this. Okay, and create like a constant on 200 or a 100 like this. Okay, delete on here. Okay, okay, 200 or 100 like this you can enter here. Okay, now the program is complete and I'm deleted this external part. Okay, now you know every parts of what's going on right now, and let's come on the now connect your Arduino to the your laptop with help the USB, and I'm telling about the potentiometer. You see it's a fun a 10k potentiometer, and the first pin is the positive pin. You need to give the 5-volt supply, and the last is for ground, and the middle one is the signal wire. Okay, so first wire is the black. I'm connected to the 5-volt supply. You see it's a 5-volt supply. Okay, and the last is gray, and I'm connected on here for ground, and the middle was the signal red pin, and I'm connected to the A node. Okay, you see it's a node. That's why in the programming I am written A0 0 like this. Okay, that's why. Okay, this is the connection. Now let's start to the run, and we need to come on the VI resource, need to refresh, come and COM3. Okay, now click on the run button, and you see it's running. I'm changing the value, and you see on the Labview it's changed. You see. Okay, you see it's a very interesting things. You go, and the maximum you see. Okay, the maximum voltage, and you can drop like this. It's a very interesting part from external data plot in Labview in a smart way. You can modify anything help of this, as per like the data is more than 2 voltage, then light or any fan is on like this. You can modify easily help of this. Okay, now now program is complete, and you can modify as per your requirement. I'm to close this program. Okay, and please share this video with your friend also, because everyone need to learn something new. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe on my channel and share with your friends. Thanks a lot, guys.